In this video, I'll be showing you how to change your age on your Epic Games account. To get started, open any internet browser, go to the address bar, and type epicgames.com, then press enter. In the top right corner, click Sign In and log into your Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, head to the support option in the top menu. Now scroll down the page and select Accounts. Then scroll all the way to the bottom of the list and click Contact Us. This is the only reliable method you can use to update your age on Epic Games. Once you're on the Contact page, scroll down a bit. From the drop-down menu, make sure Accounts is selected. For the contact reason, choose Epic Account. In the description box, type something like, "I accidentally entered the wrong age on my account. My correct date of birth is," and then enter your real date of birth. You can also attach an image that verifies your age, such as a driver's license or passport. This step isn't required, but Epic Games will usually ask for age verification, so providing it early can help speed things up. After filling everything out, scroll down and choose Submit an Email Request. You can try live chat too, but in my experience, email support tends to work better. Once submitted, Epic Games will usually reply within 1 to 3 business days. And that's it. Now you know how to change your age on your Epic Games account. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.